Hello everyone, my name is Jade and today I will be talking about how to pose for your senior pictures. So there aren't really many rules for this kind of photo shoot except that it's important for you to have fun. When you do your poses, you want to use your arms, your hands, whatever you can, so that way you don't have the same photo. But also, while you're doing it, make sure that when the photographer is taking the pictures, don't just stand in one pose and just stay there. You want to make sure that you slowly move, do some movements so that way they're all a little bit different. You won't have just one type of picture, you'll have a variety. You want to feel comfortable with your photographer so it can be easier for you to let loose and not look tense. Research photographers ahead of time to be able to choose the style of your shoot. Remember, every photographer has their own style, so be clear with what theme and type of location you want. You want to best represent yourself as a future graduate by smiling and keeping an at ease, relaxed vibe, but also, you could have some other types of pictures like non-smiling, but make sure that, like I said, you want a variety. But please don't forget to be yourself. Let your personality shine bright. You want to be able to look back at these photos later on in life and be able to see yourself as you were in your youth. So where did you guys do your senior photo shoots? I hope this video gave you all some good ideas, and please remember, if you liked this video, please give us a like and subscribe.